what safeguards need to be in place if AI tools are to be widely adopted to undertake public-facing tasks? I'd love to put that question over to both Ernest and Lucian. Who'd like to take it first?
Ernest, yeah, fire away, bud.
Okay, go.
Sure, Lucian, just throw me into the fire. Thanks. Yes, I'll be quite honest, there is a significant potential for artificial intelligence used wisely and deployed appropriately, which I will have to say that has not always been the case in terms of more recent models for, I won't say replacing, but definitely for enhancing and potentially reducing workforce load, let's put it that way, inside the federal government, and for, more importantly, increasing government responsiveness to the citizen and to the taxpayer. I think that's the critical issue to look at, is less so a worry about the somewhat limited workforce that we're talking about, which quite honestly is a very senior workforce that, if anything, AI will assist us in terms of those retirements that are currently flooding that market out and will continue to do so into the next decade, as quite honestly a significant amount of that baby boomer cohort leaves the government workforce. One of the issues we've been concerned about in the past when I've worked with government agencies has been that issue. How do you manage the government agency workload with what eventually will be probably a smaller workforce to draw upon? And if you look also at the, and I don't want to limit this just to the government, for example, I think if you look at manufacturing, for example, the potential is huge there for, especially for the US in terms of reshoring, I guess is the term we're using now, but actually based on the emerging technology convergence of robotics and AI, the manufacturing floor, which is already changing significantly, is going to go through a significant revolution. The Chinese are working this issue because they've seen it in terms of their own workforce limitations, but it also gives us the opportunity, going to Lucian's sovereignty issue, of reshoring in a very significant way manufacturing back into the U.S. CONUS and specifically. So now that I've set the world on fire, probably, Lucian,
no.